Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another mini unboxing where I grab an item, talk about what it is and what it does. Today we have the TPT-ST25, which are basically the high performance Timpano 4-inch Pro Super Tweeters. Now these Super Tweeters deliver a staggering 900 watts of max power per pair with an impedance of 8 ohms. Equipped with a diaphragm and a 1.5-inch voice coil, they handle 300 watts RMS and offer a sensitivity of 109 decibels. Expect the brightest and crispest sound with a frequency response of 3500 to 20,000 Hz. That is insane. The built-in crossover capacitors reduce low-end frequencies to prevent damage, ensuring your tweeters deliver optimal performance. In addition, these tweeters come with mounting screws and HPF capacitors. So installing these tweeters is a breeze. They have a weight of 2.65 pounds each and a mounting depth of 2.24 inches. Additionally, they have a mounting cutout diameter of 3.25 inches. Now, these tweeters come in both black and also a chrome color. Personally, I'm a bigger fan of the black, but the chrome color is also available. And speaking of availability, we should talk about pricing. So these tweeters fall under $59.95, making them one of the most affordable tweeters out there in the market. Like I previously said, these tweeters come both in black and also a chrome finish. I personally like the black, but the chrome finish is also just as nice. These tweeters are an amazing upgrade for any audio system, offering crazy power, clarity, and durability. So don't miss out and get yourself a pair of these Timpano tweeters at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/Timpano. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. It really helps out the channel. Let us know what you want us to unbox next. In the meantime, have a great day and thanks for watching.